Ooh. Whoa, no way. I didn't even see that. I'd have stepped right in that thing. That's crazy. Whoop. I don't need the plastic part. I know it's not recyclable, sadly. Hey. I gotta get me some new gloves too. I ripped a hole. Ooh. Sorry, didn't mean to bump your head. Wow. There's some good cord right there. All right, this bulky thing. That's crazy. Down in a hole. All kinds of stuff there. Got no time for tailgates. It's windy though. Strong wind. Hope it's not wrecking the audio. Help if I turn my camera on. These things aren't gonna stack. Nope. Maybe they will. Yeah, they are. Come on, dude. Kind of a stack. I'm not taking this because I don't want the glass. Nope. No, thank you. Man. Everyone all looking like a bandit and stuff. Running around with their masks on. I got a lot of bulky stuff. Is this a Smack-O-Matic? Oh yeah, this thing's ready. How about right there? Yeah. No, thank you. That is some gold right there. Those aren't Cadillac converters, are they? Probably not. Those are mufflers. Wow. Get in my truck. Quick. I bet that's ironing aluminum. Yeah, so that's steel. That's aluminum. I changed out my gloves to put the ones that don't have the holes in them. I've had these gloves forever. Like 2 years I've had these gloves. They wash just fine. Man, look at those rods. I remember I had a mini bike that threw a rod one time. Wow, this has been here for a while. I had a mini bike that threw a rod. The crankshaft was sticking out of the wall of the engine, the block. That was funny. 3-cylinder. Really? I don't want to go. You're gonna, mister. Wow. Is this? Can't even tell what it is. It's like a... Is it for holding on to bikes? I don't know. Yeah, something to do with bikes on vehicles or a rack of some sort. My kind of neighborhood. And thanks for hanging out with me during my scrapscapades, whatever you call this. Old man just out messing around. But I appreciate you. I do. Where is this gonna go? Right here. Maybe not. No, that's not gonna fit. Fit right there, I guess. It's a beautiful morning. It really is. So I'm gonna go empty at the scrapyard, and then I think I'm gonna go looking for some more scrap. But I know if I have all this awkward shaped stuff in my truck that I'm gonna find a washing machine, you know, and all right, let's spend the next 15 minutes rearranging this for a $4 washing machine. And yeah, and plus the more I handle the scrap, the more chances of the scrap biting back. Yeah, that scrap, it wants to bite you. Don't you be fooled. It wants to get you. I can tell I'm getting grumpy. I just had an argument with someone in my head of completely made up stuff. I was thinking, oh yeah, if this person says this, then I'm gonna say that, and if they say that, I'm gonna come back with this. I'm not kidding, I just did. It makes no sense. Oh God, I'm arguing with people that aren't even here. So I know my truck weighs about 9,000, I'm sorry, yeah, I wish, 3,900 pounds. And so, and it matters how much gas I have in the vehicle. Sometimes it's 39.60, sometimes it's 38.80 if I'm running on empty. So, whatever I have above that amount is about how much I think I have. That's when I first get on the scale. Obviously, when I get off this, when I'm done loading, offloading, I'll know exactly how much I weigh, but it's just a good indication. Alright, so I go to 0. I'm going on the scale. 4,200. 4,180. Yeah, so I was about right. We got some fluffy scrap. We got a little bit of a line here. And the lugger is full over there. That's okay. I'll wait till he's done. But I will take off the ropes. Yeah. While I'm waiting. drop off this wire at my shop real quick. And then I got a bunch of oil and I did some scrapping yesterday. Got some barbecues that they were full of you know, the charcoal briquettes half burnt, and so they're like all in. So I think I'm gonna go drop this stuff off at my shop, go do a quick car wash, and then finish scrapping. Number 2 wire. All right, let's go finish scrapping. Yeah, I got a few things. I'll still need to go through this box. I know there's copper and wire and things like that. In this box, wire, copper. Yeah, everything else is kind of staying organized. Yeah, I'm liking it. I don't know, it has an artsy feel to it, and I'm digging that. Yeah. I like the artsiness. All right, let's go scrapping. It's currently being used. The thing is that it has like this undercarriage wash. Starts blasting underneath my truck. Woo! Clean truck. What do you think about a whole bunch of rust water dumping into my truck? There's a chance. There's definitely a chance. This thing's not light either. Yep, it's like extra heavy, and it's at a slant. Yep, this thing is extra heavy. Right. It's so heavy I can't quite get it with one arm. This thing's heavy enough to where I am not gonna lift it up. Nope, I'm not even gonna put it up. Fine. I'm gonna have to wrestle this thing up. It's not gonna sit very well. It's very heavy. I also don't want it falling out of the truck. That's why I'm not dropping the tailgate. All right, dude. Yep, way more room. Definitely. Yep, just gotta get the thing tied up a little bit. Now we're good. Now we have a bunch of room. That thing was giving me a hard time. Wind like crazy. Is this a fender of some sort? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Yeah, I lost my other magnet. Oh no. This magnet's so strong. Yep, magnetic. Ha! Garbage man's awesome. Yep, garbage man's already been through here. What is it? A broken jack? Whoa! I'm gonna have to use 2 hands for that. That's for sure. Holy moly! Man, that thing's tore up. You're tore up, Paul. What's this say? Nothing. Okay. Get in my truck. Doesn't it just come off? Maybe not. Is this thing just gonna argue with me the whole way? This wind isn't helping. It is extra windy out here. Yeah, this is the ones that the hinges don't actually come off, but it's, come on, dude. Stoves are the heaviest, and this one happens to be awkward. No, it's not the direction I want you to go. I want you to go upright without bashing me in the head. There we go. Ooh. You ain't escaping me. So what I've been doing is just have a tab going at the scrapyard that I drop scrap off, they log it, and then I leave. I don't actually go in and get paid. And I can go in anytime I want and just collect on the scrap runs that I've made. And I've already talked to them. They are giving me premium pricing. And yeah, so it works out for them, so they don't have, you know, all the extra exposure to people. And it works out really well for me. And I might keep doing it even after. Ooh, what is this? I don't know what that is. Let's go check it out. But yeah, even after this issue with the world right now is done, I might continue doing it this way. Oh, those are big old... See, I thought... Yeah, these are... That... Yeah, that's just scrap. But yeah, I kind of like... but on Saturday, which was, what, 5 days ago, I did collect... I got almost $70 for a couple days worth of scrapping. And so now it's been... what, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, today's Thursday, so 4 days worth of scrapping. Now we recorded Tuesday, and then today's Thursday, so I've recorded 2 days, but I've scrapped 4 days. You know, because sometimes, you know, when I get scrap calls, I just go out. I don't record everything. I just can't. It's too time consuming. Because if I record, and I've mentioned this before in my videos, if I record, it will add 4 hours to my day. So let's say I scrap, you know, which I usually only scrap 3 or 4 hours, but let's say I do a full day's worth of scrapping. I would add an extra 4 hours just with the editing, the uploading, all the metadata, cameras. It slows the actual scrapping down as well. I'm gonna catch it, but there's a spider right there going up his little web that he dropped. You see him? Right there, the Spidey man. He's dropping now. Can I catch him? Oh, I got him. Ah, nothing. I bet that's paint. But one thing that made me stop, I saw a pair of pants right here. That usually means that someone filled up a dumpster. One of them indicators. Or I'm completely wrong. Yep. Ugh. I got this sound thing. It's like foam. I don't know if you can see that or not. Around the GoPro, and it's it helps with all the wind noise. But I don't know if it's helping today. Or if you can see the whatever those cat tails are. It's annoyingly windy. But let's go check out the PetSmart dumpster or Petco or whatever this is. Hey, it's a bunch of cardboard. Cardboard goes in that one. Just saying. Nothing. Usually there's pet food in here. Aldi dumpster. The back door's open a little bit. What you got, Aldi? Bagels? Is that Coke? It is. Bananas? I want those Cokes. Even though I'm not a big Coca-Cola drinker. I see some apple fritter things. All right, dumpster stick. Dumpster stick. Where is the top to it? Because if I grab it from here, it'll just... Whoa. I don't want you dumping out. Oh, there it is right there. Cool. That's what I wanted. Yes. Coca-Cola. Yep. Because if one of their 12 packs breaks open, they will throw the whole thing away. What are these? Empty. All right. What is this? A pallet? Strange looking pallet. Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola. Awesome. It's been a while since I've got my pallets. Pallets, and is that metal? Plastic. It is metal. A little rusty. Low. Pallet time. Oh yeah, I gotta get the Coca-Colas out of the way. Those are going in the front. Yeah, these are the good premium pallets. Good stuff. These things aren't light either. Yeah, the rest will go right there. Crazy wind. Oh. Scrap and pallets, they don't go together at all. This I tell you, brother, you can't have one and the other. All right, speaking of pallets, these are off limits pallets. It's for Target, and y'all that work at Target, get a big thumbs up. That's right. You know, I know Target's competitor Walmart. I've never been a fan of Walmart until recently. I was going through, I went shopping there at Walmart, and just how much care that they're putting into only having 100 people. I think maybe it's 200. There's a number that they only allow that many people in. And so I was waiting outside yesterday to go into Walmart, and we're all waiting in 6 foot apart from each other. And then once I got in to do the shopping, it seemed like it was empty. So I was able to do my shopping really, really quickly. I have to take a quick look at the closed up Pier 1 imports. Just looks like dustpan stuff. What is this? Wow, that's crazy heavy. Plastic. It looks like copper. I'm having a scrap hallucination. Now I have 2 wood pallets in the back of the truck, so the weight is gonna seem a little more. They probably weigh 40 pounds a piece, 50, I don't know, probably 40. So with that said, I'm gonna guess 4,500 pounds. And 4,480, 4,500, bam, yeah. Ow. I just bashed my arm because I thought the whole thing was down. Come on, Paul. Oh, that's better. The lugger is gone. Put it back. Or I guess I'm... Oh, he's dumping the lugger right now. That's wild. Maybe I will wait for him to go put it back. I've never seen that before. Let's go check it out. Let's go watch this. that has to be maxing out the weight. And with it being that high, that adds to the instability. That's a workout. This wind is bothering me. Roll up your window, Paul. Okay. Thank you, God, for this day. Thank you for this time. Thank you for the scrap and the pallets. And Lord, during this uncertain time, just continue to remind me that you got this, God. You got this, God. And sometimes when I get grumpy, God, I just thank you for the reminder of your word, for me to think about what is good, what is noble, what is praiseworthy. Those are the things you want me to think about. And there's a lot of good. There's a lot of good that's going on, God. Have me see that in the name of Jesus. Amen. Check this out. My buddy Corey, he said he woke up with a song this morning. He said it's real simple. Hopefully it encourages. He posted this 2 minutes ago. All right. Hopefully this encourages you. It's a buddy of mine. Yeah.
Just hold on. Just be strong. Soon the sun will shine and all our fear is gone. So just hold on. Just be strong. Soon the sun will shine and all our fear is gone. And just hold on. Just be strong. Soon the sun will shine and all our fear is gone. So just hold on and just be strong. Soon the sun will shine and all our fear is gone. Soon the sun will shine and all your fear is gone.
I know the video's supposed to be ending, but yeah, get in my truck. Be awesome, stay awesome, do your thing.